Welcome to Erin Lee and Friends. Hey friends, it's Erin Lee. Are you ready to play one of my very favorite warm-up games? You need two things, space and a stick. And oh yeah, it's more fun if you have a friend to play it with, either in person or virtually. Today I'm playing it with my friend Jules.
It's called This Is Not a Stick. Don't worry too much about the stick. It can be long or short, thick or thin. It could be a ruler, a dowel, or even a branch from a tree.
Challenge yourself to come up with as many crazy scenarios as you can, turning that stick into dozens of different things to use in a scene. This will get both your body and your imagination ready to perform. Are you ready, Jules?
Oh yeah. This is not a stick, it's a baseball bat. Here comes the pitch. It's low and outside, but Markell swings it, hits it into deep center. It's going, it's going, it's going. Bye-bye, baby, it's going. Take out the rye bread and mustard, Grandma, because it's grand salami time!
This is not a stick. This is a barbell, and I am an Olympic class weightlifter.
This is not a stick, it's a beanstalk. Yo, Ma, you know my magic beans that you threw out the window? Well, they grew and grew and grew. They're still growing. I'll be late for dinner.
This is not a stick. It's my husband. What do you want to do for dinner tonight? You want to order out? You want to cook? Lemon linguine. Sounds wonderful.
This is not a stick, it's a cane, and I'm your grandmother. Please, help your old lady cross the street.
Once you get good at it, you can make the game trickier by challenging your friends. Give them a silly scenario and have them act it out.
That is not a stick, it's a broom, and you're rich.
I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog, too. This is not a stick. It's a magic wand, and you're a magician.
Alakazam! Alakazidio! Give a thumbs up to like this video. Also hit the bell for notifications when we have a new video coming out. Bam! Did it work?
Now that you know how the game is played, go play it. And don't forget to take a bow. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you've performed one of our songs, email us. We'd love to hear about it. Our concerts are posted on our webpage and all our social media pages. The links are in the description box right below. See you next time.